Oh, hello there, Shrek here, and I'm ticked off at people who think that just because I'm an ogre, I can't dance. Are you kidding me? I could cut a rug, bust a move, boogie woogie, bop, and skip the light fantastic all over that dance floor. Don't believe me? Well, how about these moves that yours truly invented? Oh, Pinocchio! The Three Little Pigs. Straw, sticks, bricks, wolf! Oh, everyone can do this one. The Jack and Jill. Up the hill, fetch the pail. Up the hill, fetch the pail. Now how about the donkey? I'm donkey. I'm donkey. That was the Shrek. Wait! Don't forget to subscribe. If you do, I'll give you a headbutt. That's ogre for thank you.